All right, so to make this install a little easier, right or wrong, I'm going to use a little anti-seize. Just give it a light coating inside the race area there. Just because, hey, you know what? I may have to do this again sometime. And maybe it'll be easier. So, once you get that up, we just have to set up our tool to be ready to install the new bushing. Now, the way I did it, you know what? Let me see. So this is how I did it last night. This is a 1.5 inch plumbing coupler. Found it at Home Depot, $3. And just so happens it's tapered, it shrinks down, and it fits this. It fits over the bushing perfect and lines right up with the race. So I don't have to worry about damaging it. And so what I'm going to do is use that as my pusher, like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to set this cup up on the other side just like we did. Just to give it something to pull against. And then 2 washers and our end nut. Again, I bought all this stuff at Home Depot last night for $12 to make my tool rather than spending $200 to buy the MIS tool that actually is for building ball joints. Or I mean for pulling ball joints. Now the main thing is just make sure you get it in straight when you begin this part. So just side it down. You can eyeball it because the reality is it sleeves long enough, it's going to pull itself straight as it goes in. The other one went in, no problem. And so now, what we do is, again, making sure we're straight. Just start giving her a few turns. And it'll be tight at first, and then after a minute or two, it'll break free. That one's going in a little quick. Let's see the problem. Last night when I did this on the other side, I remember what I did differently. Use a smaller socket, and I'm probably just going to tap this. I get it straightened out. I'm going to grab my big bad socket. So this is a 36mm 12-point. The good news for me, I actually bought 4 of these bushings because I'm going to do it on the bottom too. There's another bushing where your camera arm hits underneath, but for this, if I was to goober up this bushing, I mean this ball joint, I have another one. Okay, now. It's trying to go in there crooked. There we go, smooth. So, unlike horsepower TV, I film in real time. Assess real quick. Last night this did not happen. Okay, so it's crooked a little bit. So I think what I'm going to do is use, I'm just going to, I don't know how that did that. I guess I wasn't paying attention. I had it in there backwards, so good chance to show you another way to do this. Or removal. get it out of there, get it restarted straight so it's not crooked and jacked up. So now we'll just give her a few turns. It shouldn't take much to get it out. Oh, so yeah, it didn't even. Looks like that this way. Alright. Try this again. Boot, make sure it didn't get messed up, and it didn't. So, I want to just make sure I get that started straight. And then actually, if I was smart, there's a tapered end. On this side, I guess you have to install it from the front of the car, going backwards, at least what it looks like. I don't know, that makes a difference. Definitely feels like there's a taper there. You could put this on there and just get a few whacks, get it somewhat square. Still not square. Alright, you can turn that off.